So this is our ConnexSys video wall mounting system, which is specifically designed from an installer's perspective. Now, the initial focus is to cut down on installation times. And there's a few reasons how we did that. The first one being is that the installers can use the 41mm strut rail, which they can source locally. And what that means is they can source that rail locally, and they only need to level out that rail once per row. So as you can see, we encourage the installers to source that rail themselves, but we also have a SKU available that includes the strut rail. Now, as soon as the top row has been aligned, you simply hang in the mounts and you can slide them, so you have your lateral adjustment.
Why do you have it installed only at the top?
No, I mean you have to level out one strut rail per row. So as you can see, this is a row. You measure out the height of a display, and on that level, you install the next row. Now, as soon as the mount is installed, one of the other benefits is that you don't need to push the display in order for it to pop out. So we have toolless latching. And the way that works, you just simply pull the cord, and this one is stuck. And then the mount comes forward. So for your serviceability and your adjustments, you're going to need to pop that mount forward, and the installers have a lot of space to work on the back. Now with Chief, all of the adjustment positions are located on top of the mount. So you have all of your axes you can adjust. So after the installation, what you need to do is you need to align each and every display in a perfect position so they are completely flat and smooth together. So I'll just show you at the bottom one. This pops forward to get even more access to the display. This is for easy serviceability. Now on top of the mounts, you have your leveling, so you can level out the display. On this point, you have your lateral adjustment, so you can slide the displays together, and you've got your depth adjustment. Also on this side, you have your tilt, so each and every axis you can control individually. And while doing that, that's also why we have the patent pending. It is not on each and every corner individually, and what that means is that the display is not going to bend. Because with some other mounts, what we see is that as soon as you start adjusting the corners individually, the display might bend, which is actually very bad for the lifespan of the display, obviously. So all you need to do to pop out the display back is a very gentle push, which is a lot gentler than the push you have to do normally to pop the video walls out.
And it's securely locked when you just push
Yes,
it in?
it's lockable. One of the other benefits of the toolless latching is that there is no unauthorized access. So with the pop-out video wall mounts, pretty much everybody can pop out that video wall. There's no security system for that. Now with these cords, only the integrator will know where the cords are located. So only they can pop out the displays.
After you bring it out and then you take it back, is it securely locked so that someone else cannot just come and pop it out?
Yes, so you pop it out by these cords, and only the integrator will know where these cords are located. So they can be located at the top of the video wall, exactly. And they can be labeled so they know exactly which cord to pull if they need to do some servicing. So what this does in general is that it cuts down on installation time greatly. So for example, a regular video wall 3x3, you're going to be able to install that in just half the time that you normally have.